Guys, wow! This is so delicious and nutritious. It's healthy for you. It's good for our health. The broccoli and tofu salad. Enjoy! It's another lovely day mga ka-lifestyle. And are you ready for a very wonderful and amazing recipe from Kuya Chito? You should, because I'm excited doing this. And our recipe for today is a healthy and delicious tofu and broccoli salad. Why broccoli? Because it's green, it's nutritious, it's antioxidant. And why tofu? Because it's rich in protein. Alright, so what are the ingredients of a tofu and a broccoli salad? Okay, 1 broccoli, half cup of water, sesame seed paste, half of lemon, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper, onion and spring onion to garnish, olive oil, and 300 grams of tofu. So here is the procedure in making the tofu and broccoli salad. Watch this. So now I'm going to show you on how to prepare the sauce of this amazing tofu and broccoli salad. So here it is. Watch this. So now we're going to create magic on our broccoli and tofu salad. So watch this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed learning from my recipes and hope you continue on watching my videos. See you next time. Bye bye and have a nice day.